Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I would love to share with you what a perfect gift can be, and it's these Boho engraved bands for your watch. These Boho engraved bands come in a 6-pack, which is so practical since you can be changing them around according to your outfit. I want you to see close up the flower and leaf plant printed design. These are beautiful, fashionable, and unique. When I was trying to detach the one I had previously and assemble these or attach it to my watch, it was so simple. As you can see, literally less than 2 minutes, you had a whole different band with a different color. I want you to see the different color there are, the variety. That's something I so loved. Once I would put my outfit on, I would just see the color of my bands and switch them according to what I was wearing. They look beautiful, they're very high quality, and they're very light and flexible. They're so comfortable for everyday use. I love that brown, that tan color, but also this white one or off-white. It's a beautiful neutral color, but if you're not feeling like that, you can get the beige one or the creamier one and try that one on too. This would be a beautiful, beautiful gift, very practical. I love the uniqueness of them and I love how fashionable they are, and I know you will too, and that is just my point of view.